to draw a robot.
Yeah, a folding surprise robot. When it's folded up, it'll be a small robot. And then when you open it, it'll be a bigger robot with extra things like more buttons and a bigger body. We hope you're going to follow along with us. You need your drawing supplies. We're going to use markers. You also need some
Paper and something to color with.
All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first take the top edge and we're going to line it up with the bottom edge down here. We got to fold our paper first. Line it up and then we'll crease it down the middle and then out to the corners. Yep, and then up. There you go. And then let's take that top flap and we're going to fold it back up to the top edge, line it up, and then crease it down. Yes, awesome. Now we're ready to flip over our paper and we're going to repeat that last step. We'll take the top flap, line it up with the top edge, and once you got it lined up, then crease it down. Now this last fold is just a guide fold, so let's unfold it and flatten it out. There you go. Then we're ready to flip our paper back over. So when we're all done, it should open up like this. Then I have some scratch paper. We're gonna put that underneath our drawing paper to protect our table since we're using markers. And you don't have to use the color red. I just like it because it matches our table.
Yeah.
Now we're ready to draw and we're using markers, but you could use a pencil or a crayon or anything that you have at home or in your classroom. Let's start by drawing the top part of our robot and let's draw a rectangle shape. So I'm going to start over here and draw a straight line that goes up from the fold. And then let's repeat that same line over here on the right side. So this will be the robot's head. And then let's connect those two lines together with a horizontal line. And it looks like we have a rectangle shape.
Yeah.
Then down here at the bottom, let's draw a horizontal line on top of the fold. Let's also draw another line or horizontal line below the fold. I'm going to draw it a little bit longer. So when it's opened up, is down here at the bottom. Let's turn this bottom part into maybe tracks. So our robot has really cool, kind of looks like a tank track. We'll come around and then connect over here on the right side. We kind of have this oval shape down here. It doesn't have to look exactly the same. And in fact, the cool part about this lesson is you could change your drawings and add different designs to your robot. Now inside of this track, I'm going to draw that same shape, but smaller. And I'm going to trace around to the other side so that the track is thicker. Oh, I like that you're adding circles. That's really cool. I'm going to do that too. I'm going to draw a circle. You know what we were going to do. Draw a circle here. Maybe this circle on this side's a little smaller. Oh, that looks so awesome. I'm going to add two more circles inside in the middle part. Kind of looks like we're making a tank.
Yeah.
That's
or a
awesome.
Conveyor belt right here.
A conveyor belt with a box on top.
Yeah.
Let's add a few more details. I'm going to draw smaller circles inside of each of these wheels. Oh, we could even connect these together. I'm going to draw a line that connects all of them together. Now, let's also add more details to the head. I'm going to draw two eyes. I'm going to draw one here. I'm going to draw a circle about this size on each side. And we could also color in those circles too. I'm going to add another circle on top, or on that's bigger, on the outside of each of these smaller ones. So we'll start at the top and then draw it around and then connect back where you started. Yes, that looks awesome. Let's add a mouth. I'm going to draw a funny mouth like this. I'm going to draw two lines that are horizontal lines like that first. And then on each side, let's draw a curve to connect.
It's like a baby robot.
Yeah, it does look like a baby robot. I'm going to draw lines going down. Yes, it looks like teeth now.
Yeah.
Or the speaker. Let's also add another detail. I'm going to draw a forehead shape that comes down, over, and back up. I'm going to draw another detail like that, just smaller inside. Oh, let's add antenna for ears. I'm going to draw the letter C on the left side, backwards C on the right side. It does look like our robot's heads on a conveyor belt. And then I'm going to draw a horizontal line, a small horizontal line that comes out. And then let's draw a zigzag line like that. And then draw another horizontal line coming out further. Yes, and then at the very end, I'm going to add a little circle and color it in. Let's repeat that same step over here on this side. Horizontal line, and then a zigzag, and then another line that comes out further, and then a circle at the end. Those are some big ears. I like it.
Yeah.
Oh, we could add more details, but let's leave it just like this. Let's open up our paper and flatten it out. We're ready to draw the body inside of the folding surprise. Now we could change the shape of the body. We could draw a big, tall rectangle shape. We could draw a small oval shape.
Or you could add a jetpack.
Okay, you could add all kinds of things. A jetpack, you could add claws, maybe even guns or missiles. Let's first start by drawing the body. I'm going to draw a rectangle shape. What shape are you going to draw?
I'm going to draw a circle.
A
or
circle?
An oval.
Oh, that would be really cool. I'm going to draw my body kind of tall, maybe like this. I'm going to draw over. And then I'm going to draw the top part that comes over too. And down. Let me see your body. Or do you want to draw a big rectangle shape too?
Yeah, probably.
You could do that. Oh, I like that you have these extra lines up here too. You could start here. Well, you could draw a rectangle that's like here. And then you could draw another rectangle that's further.
Oh, yeah.
That's cool. I like that a lot. And I love that yours is connected so you won't have a neck. I'm going to draw a little neck right here. Let's see. I'm going to draw, add a small rectangle right here and then the neck. I'm going to add little lines going this way too for the neck. Oh, is that how it's connecting to the track?
Yeah.
Oh, that looks really cool. The other thing you want to remember when you're adding all of the inside stuff, it looks like a layered cake.
Yeah,
it's
it kinda
so
does.
awesome. I love it. You want to make sure that you're adding these parts below this top fold and above the bottom fold. That way, when you fold it up, it's hidden. Okay, what else should I add? Oh, I'm going to draw, let's see. I'm going to add 2 legs that are connected to the tracks. Oh, maybe this is a foot. So maybe my guy's stepping on the conveyor belt thing. Kind of looks like he's skateboarding. I'm going to draw, these are going to be boots. I'm going to add the lines just like the neck going up the legs. What are you adding? Oh, it's like buttons and stuff. I'm going to add that too. Draw a big rectangle shape on this side and maybe buttons in the middle and a big button right here and maybe another rectangle shape inside. Oh, I'm going to draw like a cassette player right here. That's an old cassette player. Oh, I really like yours. Now this next part, let's fast forward, we'll add more details. You guys at home can pause the video and take time to add extra things to your robots.
Yeah. I added screws to keep the robot together.
Yeah, I like that so much I added it to mine also. Okay, now let's add some arms. I'm going to first draw a little C shape, kind of like what we did up here for the ears. Are you going to add little arms? I'm going to draw this arm coming down like this and then back up. Those are awesome. I'm going to draw another shape or curve that matches for the first arm. And then right here, I'm going to draw a claw. What's that? Is that a claw too? Or a different kind of claw?
I have no idea.
I'm going to draw the letter C right here for the first part of the claw, a smaller C inside, and then connect those together. You want to make sure this is below that top fold so it's hidden. I like that. It looks like another antenna. I'm going to draw more lines just like it did for the neck. There we go, all the way across the arm. Let's fast forward again. I'm going to repeat those same steps for that arm. I'm going to add another arm over here on this side. You ready to fast forward again?
Yeah.
I especially love that you changed the design of that one. It looks different than your other arms. Now we're not completely done with our drawings. What should we do next?
We still need to color it.
Yeah, this part will fast forward one more time, but at the end you can pause the video and take time to color your drawings also. You ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
Awesome, we did it. We finished drawing and coloring our robots and they turned out awesome, all colored in. I even added the ground down here, but you can leave that off or even add different details. I think maybe my robot's on Mars. Okay, let's show our friends what's inside. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. I am... You made robot noises. I was gonna say, I am a robot. I love all of the extra details, Austin. Look how cool it turned out. Now you guys can pause the video, take time to color your drawings. You can even add different details like extra arms. Oh, I love this extra arm and all of these extra buttons.
It also looks like you added rockets.
Yeah, that's in case he wants to take off.
You just press that button, and then that one goes flying, and then that one, and then that goes flying.
Yeah, 2 buttons for 2 rockets.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a robot.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye. Beep, boop, beep. Oh, is yours taking off? Or it's just leaving?